Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create GitHub repository and push code on it. So let's see with the real example. So first of all, you need to register with the GitHub account and log in. So here there is a button called new, and if I click on it, there will be a screen called new repository, and here you need to give the name of your repository. So I will simply call GitHub demo. Okay, so it will check over here, it's available for us. I will just simply give the description, it's optional. So I will say GitHub demo. Okay, and here we have a two option, public and private. So if you choose the private, that means anyone cannot access your repository, but if you make it public, then everyone can access it. So I will keep it public, and there is another option called readme file. So if you see some repository, there is already some information about the repository. So if you want to add it, so just keep add. Okay, if you don't want to add, then you can just disable it. Okay, so right now I just disable and simply hit enter, like create repository, and it will create the empty repository over here. Okay, so now what we need to do, simply go here in my project. So I already created one folder called GitHub demo, and there is a html.php file, html file simply I created. Now what I need to do, simply go here and I will make it clear everything, and then I will say simply www video, and I will simply go GitHub account. So I simply go to my the folder path. Okay, so now what I need to do, simply go, and first of all I need to git init. Okay, so existing repository I am going to clone, so that's why. So I will say git init and hit enter. Okay, now you can see that it generated empty repository. Okay, now you can see that there is also one more command called readme file if you want to add it. So right now I don't want to add it, and there is another command for commit, so that we will do it later. So the next command is git branch main. So we will define one branch. So I will simply copy this command and simply paste it. So that means we have a branch. So I will say git branch command, and you can see here git branch main. Okay, so now there is a another command called remote. So we need to add this branch. So I will simply add it and run this command. You can see that I added. Okay, and now what we need to do, simply git add command. So that means we have a file. If I go here, there is a file index.html. So what I will do, git add, and all the files will add. Okay, and then I will need to add commit message. So I will give simply message first commit. Okay, hit enter. Now what we need to do, simply run git push origin main, because we created a main branch, and hit enter. It will push all the code to the GitHub account. Okay, so if I go here and simply refresh it, and you can see that with the readme file, you can see that there is index file what we have in that. You can see that hello world. So you can see that how easily you can create the GitHub repository and push your code. So I hope guys you understand very simple way how to create GitHub repository and push the code on it. So I hope guys helps this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.